Meaning of flan.
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 Flan. Flan is a dessert that originated in Spain and is popular in many Latin American countries. It is a type of custard made with ingredients such as eggs, milk, sugar, and vanilla, which are baked until firm. The resulting dessert is smooth and creamy in texture, with a caramelized sugar topping that adds sweetness and crunch. Flan can be served cold or at room temperature and is often garnished with fresh fruit or whipped cream. It is a delicious and comforting dessert that is perfect for any occasion.